Welcome back to microeconomics class. In this class, I'll be showing you the effect of simultaneous increase in demand and decrease in supply. We're dealing with case 1, a situation whereby the increase in demand is equal to the decrease in supply. Let's have our equilibrium, the initial equilibrium. We have to draw the initial equilibrium. We have quantity, we have price, so we have the origin. So let's have our demand curve, we call it D1, supply curve S1, S2. This is the equilibrium and this is the initial equilibrium. The corresponding price here is P1 and the corresponding quantity we call it Q1. Now, let's assume there is an increase in demand that is equals to the proportional decrease in supply. And increase in demand means a rightward shift in demand curve. So we have our demand curve here. We have our demand curve here. New demand curve, call it D2, D2. Now let's assume that we also have a decrease in supply of the same proportion with the increase in demand. Now, if you have that, a decrease in supply implies a leftward shift in the supply curve. So in other words, we have, if we say the growth proportion, so we look at the gap, so we can say the gap are equivalent here, so we can draw our new supply curve. So this is S2, X2. So this is an increase in demand and this is a decrease in supply. Okay, now we can then trace this. Okay, we can see this is where they meet. Okay, if we trace where they meet, we see that it's equivalent to the initial equilibrium. This is E2. Then we have P2 here. You can see that the effect of this is that, look at where they say this is E2. This is where the new supply curve and new demand curve meet. So we trace it to the price axis. We have the new price. The price has increased from P1 to P2. But the effect on the quantity is that the quantity has not changed. Meaning that it does not have any effect on the quantity. So that means wherever there is an increase in demand and also a decrease in supply of the same proportion, the effect will be on the price and the quantity will not be affected. The price will increase while the quantity will not be affected. Summarily, wherever there is an increase in demand and simultaneously there is a decrease in supply of the same proportion. So the effect will be that the price will rise and the quantity will stay the same. Thank you. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and also comment.